I'm gonna have a fight with you two. No, you're not. Yes, I am. No, you're not. Look, you guys are the worst people I've ever seen. You are troublemakers. Since when did that happen? I don't know, but I guess you guys are troublemakers. We are not troublemakers. Look, I have enough. I'm gonna scream. You give us a headache. Look, I just don't like you. Look, you can... Come, spank my booty. Spank it. Spank it. Spank it. Spank it. Spank it. Spank it. Ew, that's disgusting, Toad. Yeah, if you do something very bad, you are grounded for a bunch of years. Staring contest. Bring it on. You blink, you lose. Arrgh! Look. Okay, let's stop. I just want to have fun. Well, you don't deserve that fun because you are grounded. You're a troublemaker. Stop. You better stop it right now or I'll ground you. No, if you ground us, you are grounded. You two are grounded forever.
That is it. You will see. Grounded for 100 years.
Go to your room right now, and I don't want to see you for the rest of the day. I'll get you back someday!